Hi, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Talkback feature on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system. Here tap on accessibility, then select Talkback. And now to enable the Talkback feature, we need to tap on the switch next to Use Talkback option.
Talkback on, Talkback, disabled, in list.
And as you can hear, the Talkback feature is enabled. Basically how it works is you can select some item.
Use Talkback shortcut, hold volume keys.
And
tap to activate.
the voice will read whatever in this frame, what the item is. Basically, if I select this,
when Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen.
it's gonna read the whole text right here.
Talkback is intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. How to use Talkback: swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. How to turn off Talkback: volume keys. Press and hold both volume keys for a few seconds. Settings. Tap the Use Talkback switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap Stop. Then double tap Stop.
And like the voice said, to activate the items, we need to double tap them. But first we need to select them. So basically, if I want to go back, I need to select back button.
Out of list, navigation bar.
Then I need to double tap it to activate it.
Accessibility.
Like this.
Apps, heading, in list.
You can move this, or rather scroll through list of items by swiping left and right on the screen.
Select to speak.
Like this.
Off gear selected text.
You can also
select to speak. Double tap to activate.
press on this frame and move up and down on the screen to move it.
Switch access. Off control device with switches. Double tap to activate.
To scroll through the menu, up and down, you need to press 2 fingers on the screen and
screen readers,
swipe
heading,
up and down.
display, heading.
Like that.
Showing items 1 to 11 of 32.
And to turn off the Talkback, simply select Talkback,
Talkback on speak items.
double tap it,
Talkback.
select Use Talkback,
checked on switch.
double tap it,
Stop Talkback.
select Stop,
Stop button.
and double tap it.
Talkback on.
Like this. You can also turn on and off the Talkback by pressing and holding the volume up and volume down buttons together and holding them for about 3 seconds, I believe. So let's press and hold them.
Talkback on. Talkback. Disabled. In list.
Like this. And to turn it off, simply press and hold the volume buttons again.
Talkback on.
And if you want to disable this shortcut, simply go to the Talkback options right here. Find this option, Talkback shortcut, and tap the switch to disable it. And now when you press, oh my bad, I took the screenshot by mistake. Now when you press and hold volume buttons, nothing will happen. As you can see. Yeah. And that's how you enable the Talkback feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.